Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my Petit Vour unboxing for July 2022. I already went over the new items I'm wearing in a previous video, so let's just go ahead and dig right into this video. Here's our card for the month. It says, all good things are cruelty free. Isn't that sweet? And we're getting 4 products this month, so let me just go ahead and dig right in. The first one on top, it says Travel Mini Natural Deodorant. I guess the brand is Corpus. Yes. So it's in this cute little seafoam box, and it's in a little seafoam canister. And it smells amazing. Oh, that smells really good. So I have actually never heard of this one, so I'm happy to get a new one to try. Not mad about that at all. This is a $13 value. This is their No Green Natural Deodorant, and it is 1.2 ounces. A naturally derived water-based deodorant with a long-lasting formula containing plant extracts and naturally derived enzymes. Pro tip: to increase product effectiveness, always apply to dry skin. So very happy to get a little deodorant and try that out. I'm always happy when I get a deodorant in a box and it's not one of those ones you have to dip your fingers in and rub onto your pit. I don't like that. It's just, aside from the fact that none of them worked for me, I just don't like the whole actual physical action involved. It's like, I don't want to touch my pits. I don't want to get stuff all over my fingers. A fuss. Next product we have is from Goldfaden MD. So I'm already a little hesitant because I'm not a fan of the brand. This is their Solution Wake Up Call Overnight Regenerative Facial Treatment. And it says this is a $10 value for 12 milliliters. That seems exorbitant, but okay. This overnight creamy facial moisturizer will make skin appear firmer and it feels stronger, leaves skin supple, smooth, and hydrated. Now, it doesn't appear that the ingredients are listed on this tiny tube, so I'm going to look them up real quick and I'll be right back. Much to my surprise, this ingredient list is actually not terrible. There is grapefruit oil, so I'm not going to be using it. But if you are not super sensitive to oils and things and fragrance stuff, since it is an overnight product, it maybe wouldn't be the worst of their items. But I'm not going to use it. I'm going to give this to a friend. Still kind of crazy that this tiny little thing is a $10 value. The next item in the box is from Aether Beauty. And it's the Big Bang. I'm pretty sure this is going to be a mascara. I do like the packaging. It's really pretty. Yeah, this is a mascara. So let's take a look at the brush. And this tube, I don't know if it's picking it up on the camera, but it's very iridescent and pretty. Looks like it doesn't have the best, like, stopper to get extra product off, but I think that's the wand. Okay, let's read about it. Okay, so this is a $28 value. It's the most expensive product in the box this month, and it says, otherworldly length and striking volume. It's no wonder Aether Beauty named it the Big Bang. This mascara features a one-of-a-kind faceted brush head that delivers product from end to tip. So that'll be interesting to crack open and use. And then the last item in here is in this little pouch. The pouch says Highborn, Palo Santo, and Sandalwood Diffume, a smokeless blessing anointing oil. Okay, let's get out of here and take a look. So we got a little stone and we got the oil, just in a little tube. I don't know if this will have a top. Yeah, it's got a roller ball. So let's read about this. It's very interesting. This is a $7 value for 2 milliliters, and it says infused with Palo Santo and essential oils, this smokeless blessing will deepen your self-care regimen. So it must just be like a nice little relaxation yoga meditation oil. It smells nice. I get the Palo Santo. And yeah, this is a little bit exciting, to be completely honest. All these little meditation oils I could just buy the actual essential oils in little tubs, probably in better prices than buying these. Personally, I'll use it, but it doesn't excite me. So this month's box, very excited about the mascara, love the packaging. Also excited about the deodorant and love the packaging. I'll use this little oil thing, fragrance thing, but it doesn't really excite me. And per usual, any of the gold Faden items I'm usually not all that jazzed about because I'm just not a big fan of the brand. So I'd say this is kind of in the B- range. It's alright. The value, especially compared to the Kinder Beauty box that I just went through, is really night and day, at least at the brand listed cost price. Drastically different, but I do think the boxes are pretty different in price. I don't know, to be completely honest. I haven't memorized the prices, and I know that makes my videos a little annoying that I don't ever give that information, but I don't know. But yeah, B-, B. It's not the worst box, but it's not the most exciting. So with all that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, hit the subscribe button. Check out AmandaPhenomenon.com and my Instagram, both linked down below, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.